You have probably been on the internet a little bit and you've probably seen this Krylon setting spray. I saw it on some celebrity makeup artist video, and there was like 3 layers of setting sprays that they use, but this was like the one that was the anomaly, which is this Krylon Fixing Spray. And in the video, it was what was used was the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, the one size spray, which I don't have, which I'm going to be substituting for another spray that I have, and then finishing it off with this. And this is supposed to be like the magic potion of setting sprays. Being in the US and being in the oven of the US, I think being able to, you put so much effort into your makeup, the last thing you want to do is have it melt off and while you're trying to be cute. So I'm gonna kind of take you along with me as I do my makeup, and then I'm gonna do some check-ins. I will say up the gate, I am doing content today, so the hair will change throughout the video. So don't think anyone's catfishing. It's all on the same day, but we're doing some content and I'm a mood like that. So what I am going to do is a primer, which I normally don't do primers for my foundations at all, but why I picked that up, I also picked up the Miron Velvet Finish Spray or Finish Smoothing Primer, just wanting to see what she's giving. I'm going to be using my tried and true double wear, like forever and always. Like, she's always going to be that girl who stands beside me. She's coming through. She's been with me probably for a good 8 years. She does not budge. She looks good. She can get hot and I still look together. It's not looking blotchy. So I'm gonna start out with my primer first, and then I'm gonna do my face. I'll show you midway once I'm done with the foundation, and then once the final look is done, we will go through the little spray sequence. All right, so we're midway through the face. We have foundation, we have contour, we are baking a little bit, got little cuttings going on. So I'm gonna wrap out my face. I'll come back once I'm ready to do the spray downs, and we'll go. All right, now we got the final look. What I'm gonna do first is start out with the Charlotte Tilbury. That was the first spray. And what I will be doing that they didn't do is I'm going to use this sponge to kind of press it in for just this particular spray. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Scandinavia makeup finishing spray. And this is their original. They also have a bridal. The bridal is a beast, like on her own. So I feel like it wouldn't be fair to use her in this. All right, and the last baby of them all, the Krylon Fixing Spray. This is my first time trying this, so we're gonna see what she do. Okay, just right off the rip, she smells like hairspray. It has a uber fine mist, like a hairspray would. I don't care for the smell. She smells like hairspray. But if she eats down, then she got to get a pass. So this is the look. It is about 12 o'clock my time. I'm not going to be doing an 18-hour wear test because that's not my life. But what I am going to do today, I have some content to create, some videos for fashion, some a YouTube video. I'm going to be doing some B-roll for some fitness content. I'm actually going to be going to the gym and doing a light walk. So not any hardcore stuff, but just a nice little walk. And then come back home and kind of see what she's giving by the end of the day. And it's hot as heck. It's like 100 degrees where I am. So we're gonna get all the humidity and the vibes that come with that. So I'm gonna do kind of a midpoint to see what she's giving, and without touching up, probably before I leave for the gym. And then after I come back, we'll see what she's giving. All right, so we're about 2-ish in the afternoon, and this is what the face is giving. I have filmed a whole YouTube video. I have filmed several looks, fashion looks. So in and out of clothes and stuff, and here we are. Like, this is the face. She's not moving. I don't know that I'm gonna get to the gym as much as I wanted to because the South loves to do weird random things with the weather.
So
But
Future Me
I'm gonna
is
keep
coming
this
over.
on for a while
Yeah, we did get
longer
to that
and then come
gym,
back
and
with.
here's how we're looking.
All right, it's 5 o'clock. I have gone to the gym, did cardio, up hills, all that. No running, but still. And it's humid, it rained. And this is what we're looking like. I feel like my skin, I could do a light touch up like here in the T-zone and would be good. Other than that, like we didn't break down. We didn't have a bunch of like, it wasn't melting. Like my shirt is clean. I don't have anything on my shirt because I've had that with wearing makeup and being out, it can run. So for me, to you, if you are someone that's wanting to keep your face locked down, like you beat your face eats, and then you want to like preserve the eat, then I would definitely try out this Krylon with the Charlotte Tilbury spray. I did not use the one size spray, but I hear that's supposed to be the combo. Your Charlotte, then your one size, then your Krylon as your last one. But I used the Scandinavia one. But she looks good. Like I could touch up and go somewhere else, do a few more videos if it needed be. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, if you've tried this before and if you're curious.